All right, guys, so we're over here at my little spot that I like to come to. It's the little nature preserve over here. Nice and wide open. Good for what we got to do today. Right now, what we're doing, we have the tune from Lund Racing. Alex sent it over last night. So what I'm going to be doing here is some data logging. The JLT is installed, so no more Roush. We got the JLT Cold Air sitting right there. We got the laptop on deck, so we're going to be doing our data logging right here. We're going to be doing some step logs and doing an idle log, and then I'm going to do a 7,000 RPM watt pull. So that's what's on tap. Let's get it going. All right, so we got the laptop. It's in the car. We're ready for some logs. We're going to be doing an idle log. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'll let the car idle, log that. We're going to do a step log, which I'm going to hold it at 2,500 and 3,500 RPM for 15 seconds a piece. And then the last one is going to be a slow pull from 2,500 to 5,000. So I'm going to do that in either second or third gear. If I got the room, I'll do it in third. If not, if it's a little busy, I'll do it in second. And then finally, it's going to be a watt pull. So I'm going to do a full throttle, full out pull to 7,000 RPM. And then we are going to pull off, let the car idle for 2 minutes, and then stop the log. All right, so what we're going to do to start the idle log is we're going to go to diagnostics. We're going to go to data logging. We have 2011 plus generic. That's the one we want. So we're going to hit the check on that. Select your mode. We're going to be selecting normal mode. Going to let everything connect and get started. Once you see all the numbers there, everything's moving, everything's looking good. What you want to do is tap the middle. And you see this blinking light? That lets you know that you are currently in a log and it is logging. In a log, logging, yeah. But the log is going, so I'm gonna start a quick timer for 5 minutes, and I'll pick you guys up when it's done. All right, so we just hit 5 minutes. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna raise it up to 1,500 RPM. Get you guys in close so you can see that. 1,500. So that was the step log. Hopefully that came out pretty clear. Again, the tuners will be able to do something with that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take it out. We're gonna go from second gear. We're gonna do a 2,500 to 5,000 RPM slow pull. All right, 2,500 to 5,000. Third gear, 2,500 to 5,000. 3, 2, 1. I'll take it from 2,000 to 7,000. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1. Gotta pull over, let the car idle for 2 minutes, and call it. So the car's just gonna idle here for 2 minutes real fast. And then this log is complete. I can finish it up, at which point I'm gonna click the button here to stop the log, and then we'll be sending that off to Lund. But that was datalogging your 5.0 for, at least for Lund Racing. I know that's their requirements. You gotta do an idle log, a step log, an idle log, a step log, and the slow pull, and then the watt pull. All right, it's been idling for 2 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and stop the log. Notice the light is no longer flashing, so my log is complete. And that was the datalogging for the car. We did an idle log for 5 minutes. We did a step log holding it at 1,500, 2,500, and 3,500 RPM. We did the slow pull from 2,500 to 5,000, and then we did the watt pull from 2,500 to 7,000, and then we let the car idle for 2 minutes. So that is everything. I'm gonna go ahead and end this one off right here. Everything should be looking good. But hopefully, this was all set for them, and this will be a good enough log for them to be able to send me my E85 tune. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.